Hi, I am Dr. Tarang Vora, Consultant Pediatric Neurosurgeon at Apollo Hospitals, Hyderabad. Today we are going to talk about pediatric astrocytomas, that is a type of brain tumor. This video is intended for pediatric caregivers and the fantastic parents of beautiful children that I have met and learned from over the last few years. Pediatric brain tumors are the most common cause of cancer-related morbidity and mortality in children. Astrocytomas are the most common pediatric brain tumors. Almost 50% of all pediatric brain tumors and spine tumors are astrocytomas. Let me start with a story of a beautiful baby girl called Sania and her smart mother. When Sania was 4 months old, her educated mother noticed that her head was tilted to one side. They visited an orthopedician who reassured them that all was good. At the age of 11 months, Sania had on and off early morning vomitings. Her parents visited the pediatrician, reassured them that all was good. At the age of 1.5 years, the mother noticed that Sania's eyes were cross-eyed. So her mother visited an ophthalmologist who again reassured her that all was good. But her mother insisted on getting an MRI scan for Sania, which revealed a brain tumor which had been growing inside Sania's brain for the last 1 year. The intention of this video is to reduce the significant delay between the first sign and symptom and diagnosis of a child with brain tumor. Such delay leads to irreversible neurological damage. However, the burden on pediatricians in India is enormous. They have to screen thousands of children, in which the incidence of your child having a brain tumor is very, very low. So what are the signs and symptoms of a child who needs to be evaluated for a brain tumor? Signs and symptoms depends on the age of the child and location of the tumor in the brain. In general, let's look at 6 warning signs and symptoms of a pediatric brain tumor or an astrocytoma. First is headache and vomiting. When they appear together, they are recurring and occurring more in the morning. Of course, the headache and vomiting should not be associated with tummy infections, gastroenteritis, which is way more common. Second is seizures and confusion. If your child falls unconscious or is confused more than usual or has repeated uncontrolled abnormal jerky movements of any of the limbs, all of this are signs, but they should be present only in absence of fever. All these should raise a suspicion. Hormonal changes. Abnormal growth of bones, early puberty, increased water intake, excessive urination, sudden weight loss with loss of appetite. The fourth sign is new onset vision changes or an abnormal eye movement like blurred vision or double vision. A child may stop watching TV, mobile videos as he cannot see clearly, will fall more frequently. The fifth sign is drop in scholastic performance, which is easily noticed by teachers and parents. The sixth and the final sign is presence of an abnormal head position. Children may have a head tilted to one side, more so when no one is watching and the child is relaxed. If your child is having one or more of the 6 signs, please consult your doctor to see if any further evaluation is needed.